Alright, today I'm installing a new garbage disposal under a standard kitchen sink. The old unit's motor was burned out and the client opted for a mid-range replacement that's quieter and a bit more powerful. First things first, I disconnected the drain lines and removed the old disposal. Most units are secured with a mounting ring that just twists off, but depending on how long it's been in place, you might need a little extra elbow grease. To replace this InSinkErator mounting assembly, you simply loosen the 3 screws to reveal the snap ring. Pry at the edges of the ring with a flathead screwdriver and that will release all of the components. With the old unit out, I cleaned off the sink flange and applied a fresh bead of plumber's putty. That helps create a watertight seal between the sink and the new flange. Once it's in place, I secured it from underneath with the mounting assembly that came with the new disposal. It will come pre-assembled in the right way for the InSinkErator model, so just put it back the same way. Make sure the little cardboard ring is installed first on the underside of the sink. It's time to install the snap ring. This is the trickiest part of the whole job. Hold the mounting assembly up with one hand, then take the snap ring and carefully stretch it open just enough to slip it into the groove on the sink flange. You'll feel it click in when it seats properly. Once it's in, tighten the 3 mounting screws evenly until the assembly is snug and secure. That's it. The snap ring holds everything together. If the home has a dishwasher connected to the disposal, I use a screwdriver and hammer to knock out the plug inside the unit's inlet. These newer models use the disposal's Allen wrench to remove it easily and quickly. For this install, the disposal came with an easy connect power cord. Simply insert and install the screw. I connected the new disposal to the mounting ring and twisted it into place. Once it's locked in, I reconnected the drain pipes, making sure everything lines up and is watertight. As you've seen, with the right tools and a little patience, this is definitely a project you can tackle yourself. Most of the work comes down to taking your time, following the steps, and making sure your connections are solid, both plumbing and electrical. If you're comfortable working under the sink and have the necessary tools, there's no reason you can't get this done in under an hour. Just remember to check for leaks and double check your wiring before flipping that switch. Now for the moment of truth, let's test it out. I'll fill up the sink a couple of times and drop the water all at once. Smooth, quiet, and working just like it should. Nice job, you just saved yourself a service call and knocked out a solid upgrade for your kitchen. Thanks for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.